Now that we know how to create annotations, the next question is how can we best use them? And this is dependent on the particular purpose of each cabinet paper. In the example we just looked at, we could see how annotations could be used to ask questions about particular points in the image and how either the teacher or students could respond to them. I'm going to look at another couple of examples which look at how you can use annotations, but this is in no way prescriptive, as you can really be as creative as you want in their use. So the first example is perhaps the most obvious, and that is how you can use annotations to explain certain bits of information. So with an object like this, where there's a lot of numerical and scientific information, if you can draw attention to particular points of the image and then explain them through the annotation. And here we can see that it includes an inscription as well. You can also use annotations to set particular tasks for the students. So in this example, we can see that the annotations in the image correspond to bits of Latin on the right. So in this first annotation, the Latin here is the part of text that goes around the image here. So you can set your students the task of either making these annotations to transcribe a particular point of an image, or perhaps even translating the transcriptions that have already been made. So in this example, I've already transcribed much of the image, and I might ask my student to click on Read More, and then to translate that part of Latin text in the body of the commentary here. And then other students could even collaborate with them on this, or you can use it for marking. So we can see how annotations can be used to bring focus onto particular details within the image. And this means that you can interrogate more closely and in more depth the material culture that you're hosting on your cabinet paper.